10 reasons for companies to use VR training. Immersive training in virtual reality has already been widely adopted by sectors including manufacturing, construction, medicine, and retail, but why? 1. Effective. Compared to traditional methods, VR training can be up to 75% more effective. Why? Because learning in VR resembles learning by doing. The immersive experience is lifelike, providing an opportunity to learn through practical exercises and motor activity. 2. Safe. In virtual reality, it's safe to make mistakes and learn from them. Trainee workers can practice dangerous or complicated tasks safely with infinite repetitions. 3. Memorable. VR training, because of its immersive nature, engages the attention of the learner completely, eliminating distractions and consequently improving retention. 4. Motivating. Gamification like points systems and competitions give learners instant feedback, increasing motivation and engagement with the learning process. 5. Repeatable. Training quality depends on a variety of factors, from teacher skills to facilities. VR training provides an equal learning platform for all learners, with opportunities to include both visual and oral cues to facilitate different learning styles. 6. Scalable. Once the initial investment in the VR platform is made, the training can be rolled out across the organization with very little cost. Training content can be planned to be modular for easy updates and created in multiple language versions. 7. Accessible. Virtual reality allows access to the remotest corners of the world without the need to travel. The equipment is getting lighter and cheaper, making it a viable option for remote training, whether from home, the office, or a training facility. 8. Green. VR training reduces travel costs for both training staff and learners. Complex, heavy, or expensive equipment can be simulated with no need to purchase or transport real equipment. 9. Measurable. Learning in VR can be tracked and analyzed by the trainers or learners themselves, helping create positive reinforcement and insights into training effectiveness. 10. Fun. Due to novelty, there's an element of undeniable fun in VR training. Who wouldn't rather explore a virtual reality experience than sit through a classroom lecture? Eager to learn more about virtual training tools? Visit stereoscape.com and book a free meeting.